Johnny here with late breaking real estate news. Today we are going to cover accessory dwelling units, also known as ADUs or granny flats. It seems as though they're popping up everywhere in San Diego. And well, this morning we're actually learning that there's a new law called AB 1033, which will let people in California buy and sell ADUs now as condos. So property owners will be able to build an ADU on their land and sell it separately, following the same rules that apply to condos. The law is meant to give homeowners more options for building their property, and it does create more home ownership. Now, California cities will need to opt in to this new law in order for the residents to be able to buy and sell ADUs.